Wherever there is a will, automatically we can see the way. So we are to do anything, which things are required, nothing is required. Nothing is required. Okay, just you should be action taker, that's it. Once you started, automatically you are going to see the ways. Okay, like so that's the historical sketch of Babylon. What a wonderful concept. What a wonderful concept. Richest civilization. Their knowledge is available after 8,000 years also. What a beautiful thing. Next, the man who desired gold. The second topic we covered, the man who desired gold. Here I introduce two persons, Bansir and Kobi. They are very hardworking persons. They are very hardworking persons. They are very skilled persons in their respective areas. But still, they are struggling even for food also. So, hard work and high skill are nowhere related to your financial freedom, are nowhere related to your richness. Remember this, sir. Only hard work. If I keep on hard working, automatically my life is going to be changed. No. Hard working is the different. Richness is the different. Okay, both are completely different things. So even you are very hardworking person from morning to evening, even you are high skilled person, if you don't know how the money works, if you don't know how the wealth creation is going to be happen, then your hard work, your high skill won't save you. You won't get richness. You won't become financial freedom. So Bansir and Kubi, these two people, situation is that the man who desired the gold, these two persons desired the gold. Their hard work not going to work out. Their high skill not going to work out. Then they met the richest man in the Babylon. That is the day number 3. The richest man in Babylon, like